Hello everyone, I'm Clyde Indiliman. Today, I'm gonna narrate my family. So let's start. My family is complete. I have four brothers and one sister. My father's name is Ruart M. Diliman and my mother's name is Gina Adlaw Diliman. My four brothers' names are Jerome Diliman, Mikoboy Diliman, Darix Diliman, and Freddy Diliman. And the and my sister's name is Annalyn Adlaw de Lima, and I am the youngest of our family. My father's occupation is fishing, and my mother is a housewife. My family is a one big happy family because our parents treat us with love, care, sweet concern, even and sometimes they spoiled us. The relationship between my sibling and me is helping each other, compliment with sweet words, and sometimes they insulted me for being a lazy. My parents always said to me that do not argue to your elders like my lolos and lolas because it's disrespecting if you argue to them. Instead, you should help them, and if they are angry to you, just say sorry and they will accept your apologize. The best advice that I've received is actions is better than word. I think my friends advise me to always take an action than words. So, and the worst word that I've received, heard, is useless, useless, you are stupid, and you are the weakest. That word is kind of hurt me a lot and make me always overthink in the night. So that's all for today. Peace. Goodbye. Thank you.